It has been a busy week for the U.S. Supreme Court with big decisions on everything from the availability of the abortion pill, mifepristone, to overturning a ban on bump stocks. The nation's highest court still has a lot of work to do and little time left as it heads into its final few weeks with more than a third of the cases still undecided. As NewsNation's Elina Shirazi reports, those cases could reshape the law on everything from guns to abortion to social media.
The clock is ticking as Supreme Court justices rush to decide on 23 cases before their summer recess in about 21 days. In just the past few days, the U.S. Supreme Court unanimously preserved access to the drug mifepristone used in nearly 2/3 of all abortions in the U.S. last year. It's the High Court's first abortion ruling since the overturning of Roe v. Wade nearly 2 years ago.
This is not a cause for celebration, because the reality is certain things are still not going to change. We are looking at the fact that 2/3 of women of reproductive age in America live in a state with a Trump abortion ban. This ruling is not going to change that.
The Supreme Court also striking down a Trump-era ban on bump stocks. Those are gun accessories which allow rapid fire, comparable to a machine gun, reopening a political fight on Capitol Hill.
A bump stock does not cause anybody to be shot in the United States of America. That is the shooter that does that, not a piece of equipment.
Look, I'm concerned that the Supreme Court has gone too far in undermining gun safety ever since the Bruin case. And so the latest Supreme Court decision is the latest example of a Supreme Court that's jeopardizing gun safety in America.
With 61 cases taken up this term, a few in the backlog stand out. Here's what's on the docket. Whether former President Donald Trump will be immune from criminal prosecution in the election interference case against him. Justices also set to weigh in on the Capitol riots on January 6th, including the legality of obstruction charges brought against hundreds who stormed our nation's capital. Also on the table, the legality of emergency abortions, keeping guns away from alleged abusers, whether people can be banned from sleeping outdoors, as well as several social media regulation cases. The High Court now has just a few weeks to decide the future of those 24 cases. In Washington, Elina Shirazi, NewsNation.
Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.